Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for x in this equation 4 raised to power x is equal to 18. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 4 raised to power x is equal to 18. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. That is, log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 18. Then take note of this, that if you have log m to the power of n, this is equal to n log m. And this can be written as x log 4 is equal to log 18. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 4. Then we have x log 4 divided by log 4 is equal to log 18 divided by log 4. This log 4 cancel this log 4. Then this is the same thing as s is equal to log 18 divided by log 4. Then 18 is equal to 9 multiplied by 2. And 9 can be written as 3 square. Also, 4 can be written as 2 square. Then x is equal to log 9 multiplied by 2 over log 4. Then if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S is equal to log 9 plus log 2 over log 4. And this is the same thing as log 9 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4. X is equal to log 9 can be written as log 3 square over log 4 can be written as log 2 square plus log 2 over log 4 can be written as log 2 square. X is equal to, this log 3 square can be written as 2 log 3 over this log 2 square can be written as 2 log 2 plus log 2 over 2 log 2. These two cancel these two. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to log 3 over log 2 plus 1 over 2. Now take note of this, that if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. Therefore, S is equal to 1 over 2 plus log 3 base 2. Then this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power x is equal to 18. Then if s is equal to 1 over 2 plus log 3 base 2. This is 4 raised to power 1 over 2 plus log 3 base 2 must be equal to 18. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 4 raised to power 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 3 base 2 must be equal to 18. Then this 4 raised to power 1 over 2 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by this 4 raised to power log 3 base 2 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 must be equal to 18. Then these two cancel these two. We have 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by this can be written as 2 raised to power log 3 to the power of 2 base 2 must be equal to 18. Then this is 2 raised to power 1. This is 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 3 squared, that is 9. We have log 9 base 2 must be equal to 18. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then we have 2 multiplied by the whole of this is 9 must be equal to 18. Then 2 multiplied by 9, this is 18, is equal to 18, which is true. Then we may solve this question using another method called the method of natural logarithm. So let's solve this using method 2. Now method 2, we have the given equation 4 raised to power s is equal to 18. Let us take the natural log on both sides of this equation. Ln of 4 raised to power s is equal to ln of 18. You can actually solve this in 1 minute. Then this is s ln of 4 is equal to ln of 18. Now let's divide both sides by ln of 4. This divided by ln of 4. This divided by ln of 4. Then this ln of 4 cancel this ln of 4. We have x is equal to ln of 18 over ln of 4. But ln of 18 is equal to 2.8904. Then ln of 4 is equal to 1.3863. Now we have x is equal to 2.8904 or 1.3863. That is if you want to use your calculator. Then if you divide 2.8904 by 1.3863, then s will be equal to 2.08, and this is the value of s. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power s is equal to 18. Then we have 4 raised to power 2.08. This is equal to 17.88, and this approximately equal to 18. Therefore, the left hand side 18 is equal to the right hand side 18. Or if you want to leave your answer in natural logarithm form, from Here, ln of 18 over ln of 4, we have ln of 18 over ln of 4. This is equal to ln of 9 multiplied by 2 over ln of 4. This is equal to ln of 9 plus ln of 2 over ln of 4. Then this is ln of 3 square over ln of 2 square plus ln of 2 over ln of 2 square, and this is equal to 2 ln of 3 over 2 ln of 2 plus ln of 2 over 2 ln of 2. This ln of 2 cancel this ln of 2, and these 2 cancel these 2. We have ln of 3 over ln of 2 plus 1 over 2. Then this is the value of x in natural logarithm form. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.